So here's what to do when a TikTok is saying that you need to allow access to the camera and microphone and some other things potentially on your iPad. Let me explain what you're going to do about it. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you become part of the community by subscribing, and therefore you'll never miss anything important. So of course, the reason why it's happening is that you didn't allow the app access to your stuff and features. So you can change it inside of the settings by going to the app section, and at the bottom this is the list of every installed app, and you obviously need to find the TikTok. It is sorted alphabetically, so you can use the letters on the side, and you should be able to find the TikTok app right here. And of course, once you go here, you should be able to change all of the settings for the application, right? So the stuff, as I said, like camera access, microphone, photos, notifications, all of that can be managed right here. So you can decide if the app can actually access your built-in camera, your built-in microphone, or not, right? So if you can change it, or if you need to change it, this is the place to do so. And once you enable the camera access, then the app allows you to record your TikToks, your videos on both front and rear facing camera, and it should all be working fine. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. That would be about it from me. Hopefully you can stick around for more tutorials as well. So hopefully you find something that you are interested in. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos, as I said. So thanks a lot, and see you then.